Hey, this is MJ. Today we're going to talk about the Milwaukee right angle impact wrench, cordless. I bought the 3/8 drive. I've been wanting one of these for a while actually, and I finally went ahead and bought one. So today we're going to do an unboxing, and then we're going to use it on the actual car, and then I'm going to give you a quick review. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box. And it is going to be amazing. Here we go. Okay. The suspense is killing everyone, I know. Wait, first we gotta read the directions. We have to read every word of the directions. Then we have to look at every tool that Milwaukee ever made. Alright, and talk about them. Or maybe not. Alright, let's look at this thing. It's pretty good quality. I like it. This is only the second Milwaukee tool that I have purchased. I do have a cordless caulking gun that works really well. And I decided to get this one. It's about $200. I got I got the one without the kit. It doesn't have the battery, because I already have a battery in the charger. But yeah. Has a good feel. Buttons feel nice. Everything's feel nice and sturdy, nice and solid. It costs about $200, which is less than the Snap-on version. But you know, I don't work professionally anymore, so I figured this regular version could do pretty good. I don't use it every day, but it feels like I could use it every day. I mean, Milwaukee tools are pretty stout. So there it is, my battery. So let's go ahead and just check it out. I'm gonna go up and down through the revolution for you. Let you listen to it. Has a good response. Like, I could slowly go up and down through the power of it, which is important to me. I don't want it to just be on and off, you know. It's got to slowly and ramp up and down. So this button here, you could go 1, 2, 3. Oh, sounds pretty good to me. Oh, sounds pretty good. So if you look in the directions, if you click through the buttons till it gets to that little circle thing, that's the feature where it won't automatically zip off the bolt or nut. It'll just break it through, and then slowly it'll come out, and then same when it goes back. All right, so I torqued this Dogbone engine mount to 47 foot-pounds, and let's see if it could take it off. Let's use it. Well, got it off all by itself. Not too bad. I don't expect this to get off every single bolt. I mean, this is more of it saves on time, you know. So, like here, this one don't want to come off. This bolt is kind of under a little tension, being that it's a mount, so it don't want to come off. But, you know, like I said, I don't look for this thing to just rip off every single bolt. I usually use this mostly for speed. So for these, I'll go ahead and break it free, and then you can zip it off, and there we go, zip it back on. So not bad so far. No. And I'm always going to hand tighten them myself or torque them just to make sure they're tight. You don't want to rely on any tool, air or cordless, to tighten anything. You want to feel it yourself. So there you go. You can do it. And you see it's got an extension one right there. And for any tool, it loses some power when you put extensions on it. Because, they have to get over. There we go. See, you can get it. I find that for any tool, you're usually gonna have to divide what it says it can get off by about 3 or 4. For example, if you want to get off lug nuts that are 100 foot-pounds, you can't just use a 100 foot-pound impact wrench. You're gonna have to use one that's 300 or 400 pounds. I was just playing around here. I was trying to get off lug nuts with it, and it don't work. I knew that wasn't gonna work. I was just practicing, or I was just trying it. But here I can get off this little 10 millimeter. There you go. You could destroy the 10. I'm thinking if you want to get in a cordless ratchet, get this more powerful one. There's a couple of others from Milwaukee that have significantly less power, and I don't even see the point in getting those, because you're gonna divide it by 3 or 4 to see what you can really get off. All right, so these caliper bolts. This is the main reason why I like ratchets, because they can fit in here to get these bolts off. And this one gets off the outer ones pretty easily, but the inner ones are a lot more not quite strong enough to get it by itself. But that's okay. We can get out Excalibur, also known as my Matco 1/2-inch drive 24-inch ratchet, and now I can get it. See, there you go. We can try that little feature. Watch this. See, it slows it down as soon as it breaks it free, and it doesn't quite torque it that much when you're pushing it in. So definitely want to tighten that up with all your ratchets. But that's the main reason why I like these tools. So you can get it from Home Depot. I'm not sponsored, so you can get them whatever you want if you want to buy one. $200 for without the battery, and it's more for the one with the battery. Overall, I think it works really well. Yeah, I haven't used it a lot. I'll put in the comments if it breaks. I doubt it will. Milwaukee make pretty strong tools. And I would go ahead and get one. It is a time saver, and it also make it easy for you to do side work, which is very profitable. But yeah, that's what we got. I like it. Thumbs up from me. If you got any questions, put them in the comments, and have a good one.